Hi, welcome to my cute toons with chalk. Today we're going to draw Polly Pocket. So follow along with me. Take your marker and let's begin with her face. So I'm going to start with the jaw. I'm going to draw a line all the way around like this. And I'm going to follow it through to this side about. And then I'm going to do the eye. I'm going to draw a nice curve. And then I'm going to do the bottom one as well. Good. And then this side I'm going to do the same thing. So yeah, there's the eye. Great. And now for the pupil. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to draw light reflection. Just going to draw a little light reflection there and maybe a smaller one below. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side as well, two light reflections. And then I'm just going to draw a little pupil there and another one there. And then of course just two more lines for the inner eye as well. Here we go. And then I'll color the pupil in. Good. And now I want to draw the eyelashes. So I'm just going to start here on top. And I'm going to draw a little line all the way around. And I'm just going to draw 3 little lashes on this side. And let's do the same thing on the other side as well. Just a little line there, and 1, 2, 3 eyelashes as well. And we're going to color that in as well. Let's make it black. Let's draw a nose. So right in between the eyes, just going to draw a little nose there. And then just below the nose, I'm going to draw a smile. And I'm just going to make 2 curls for the cheeks, and then here on top I'm going to draw the top lip, and I'm going to draw a little mouth there at the bottom, and a line, that would be the teeth, and then of course the tongue, and we're going to color it in as well, and then the bottom lip. So I'm just going to start out here, and I'm just going to make a little line like that, and there's the bottom lip. I think that looks perfect. Eyebrows. Just make 2 lines like this, and then you can draw the eyebrow. And there's the other eyebrow. Great. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to start with the hair. So I'm just going to make a little marker up here, and then I'm just going to draw here. Just a line like that. And then right here I'm gonna take it down low like this. There we go. And then from here I'm just gonna bring the hair back to this side as well. And then right here on top we're gonna do the top part of the hair. There we go. And I'm just gonna do that. And then of course here maybe just a little piece of hair that's coming out there as well. There we go. Furthermore, I'm just gonna make a little line like this, and maybe make another line up here, something in that fashion, like that. The top of the head now, bring it down, and on this side I'm just gonna bring a little piece of hair out like this, and on this side I just want to bring another piece of hair out. And I'll just bring it back like that, and maybe just make a little line there as well. And from here I'll just make another line there as well, and then I'll just complete the top part. There we go, of the head. The next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna actually draw the shoulders and the neck. So I'll draw a little line like that, and then I'm gonna draw a little line down like that, and I'm just gonna stop there, just sort of to see where my shoulders would go. And then for the chest area and the body, the midsection, like here, and I'll do the same thing here as well, something like that. And maybe make just a little crease there, and here at the bottom you're just gonna connect these 2 lines, and you're just gonna make 2 lines there, and you're going to connect them as well. Good. And then there's 2 pockets. You can just draw 2 pockets here, and then like that, and connect those lines, and maybe just another line there as well. Great. I'm going to draw a few lines down just to give it a texture. Here we go, there, last line. Let's make one more there as well. Good. Now I think we can do the arms. So I'm gonna bring the arms down, and I'm gonna take it roughly up to this level here, like that, bring it back. And here I'll do the same thing, so nice. There we go. And maybe the inside of the arm as well, maybe something here. We can do something like that. There we go. Let's finish up with the top part. So let's make, there's a shirt. This may be a little, go. Then from here I'm just gonna draw a line there, and I'm gonna make another line like this, and this is gonna hold a little heart necklace. There we go. And we'll just make a little heart inside as well. Let's finish up with her hair. So here at the bottom I will just make a line like this, and I'm just gonna make another line like that, and I'll make a little hairband to, there we go, to hold the ponytails. And I'm just gonna make a line down and another line down and connect it to her shoulders. And now I'm gonna start up here, and I'm gonna just draw a nice curvy line there like this, and on this side I'll do the same thing as well. A nice curvy line like that, and then take it back to the arm. There we go. And take this one back to the arm as well, and maybe we can just draw a few interesting shapes here. There we go. And maybe just a line that connects there. Maybe some interesting shape here. Take it all the way down. Maybe bring another line up and continue it there. There we go. And these are two ponytails. Let's do her legs. So right here, I'm gonna draw a nice curve. This side I'm just gonna draw another curve like that. And right here we're just gonna make a little mark. There we go. And from here, make it nice and round. That would be the bottom of the leg. Nice and round like that as well. The inside of the leg. Nice and curvy where the calf is. Let's start. And again a nice curve for the calf. And there we go. And maybe just, there we go, and there's her pants. Let's go to her hands. I'll draw two sleeves, and then I'll draw a little thumb, and I'll draw the hand. Here we go. And there's one hand. We'll draw a little thumb. 1, 2, 3. And there's another hand as well. There's the two hands. And now for shoes, and then we're finished. So you can draw two lines like this, connect them. Perfect. And you can draw two shapes down here, another two shapes down there. There we go. And now for the shoes. This one is a bit in front of the other one, so I'll just draw something like that, and this one is going to be behind. There we go. And the soles of the shoes. Good, and there we go. And I think we're done. Now you can take your markers and your crayons, and you can color this picture in. I'm sure she's going to look absolutely beautiful. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. See you soon.